solve x plus the square root of x minus 2 equals 0. Now to solve this using quadratic form, what we're going to do is we're going to make a substitution, let u equals the square root of x. So we notice here that if we take this x term, the square root of x term, and we square it, quadratic form, then it's going to give us this term. And notice because x, square root of x is the same as x to the 1/2, and x to the 1/2, if you square it, just becomes x. And so x is u squared plus u minus 2 equals 0. Now we can factor this quadratic into u plus 2 times u minus 1. We plug back in our u's, and now we have two separate equations to solve for x in. So we have square root of x plus 2 equals 0. Subtract 2 from both sides, square both sides. We get x equals to 4. On this side, similar idea, we set it equal to 0. Solve for x, add 1 to both sides, square both sides, we get x equals 1. Now, the thing is, you can see here we have to, because we squared both sides of an equation, we have to check our answers in the original by plugging back our x values in the original equation to see if they're true. And if you plug in 1, you're going to see that's 1 plus 1 minus 2. That is equal to 0. But if you plug in 4, you're going to get 4 plus square root of 4 is 2 minus 2. That says 4 equals 0, which obviously is not true. And so the only actual solution is x equals 1. Another way to think about it is here we have the square root of x equal to negative 2. And if you take the square root of any real number, you'll never get a negative number. And so this just doesn't work. And so that's why this solution just doesn't work. And so the only solution is x equals 1.